Hey everyone, it's your favorite real estate guru here, and today we're going to be talking about the ins and outs of real estate investing. I know, it may sound a bit daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, let's talk about why real estate investing is so popular right now. With the current state of the stock market being so unpredictable, more and more people are turning to real estate as a way to invest their money. And with interest rates being so low, now is the perfect time to take advantage of the market. Now, before you jump in head first, there are a few things you need to know. One of the most important things to keep in mind when investing in real estate is location. You want to make sure you're investing in an area that has a high demand for housing, preferably in an up-and-coming neighborhood. Some great keywords to keep in mind when searching for these areas are real estate hotspots, best neighborhoods for investment, and up-and-coming areas. Another important aspect to consider is the type of property you're investing in. Are you interested in residential properties, commercial properties, or maybe even vacation rentals? Make sure you do your research on the different types of properties and their potential ROI, return on investment. Some popular keywords to search for in this category include vacation rental investment, commercial real estate investing, and multifamily properties. And finally, one of the most important things to remember is that real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work to see a return on your investment. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the potential for financial gain is huge. So, there you have it, folks. A crash course in real estate investing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are also interested in investing in real estate. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.